All right, wake up, Daddy. All right, let him fall asleep, Noah. And then count to 3. That wasn't 3. You have to count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
All right, last time. Wake Daddy up one more time.
1, 2, 3.
Go for sleep again.
Okay. Yeah.
You didn't count to 3.
1, 2,
Noah, you only counted to 2. You have to count to 3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Wake up, Dad!
1,
You only counted to 1. You have to do it all the way to 3. Okay, Noah, this time to wake him up, you have to count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
That was 7. That was good. So thank you. See you later. Count to 10.
1, 2,
Ooh, Dad said you have to count to 10 to wake him up. 1, 2,
3,
4.
5.
You're only to 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10.
You did it. Good job. Good job. You counted to 10. Why don't you go 9, 9? I'll count.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Keep going to 11. 5.
4, 6, 7, 8.